Now, unfortunately, crypto prices are falling again today as a continuation of what took place yesterday. And if you guys remember, the producer price index or the producer price inflation came in higher than expected, and it caused a large sell-off. That large sell-off caused a lot of liquidations, and those liquidations further, exacerbated the problem. And now we're down roughly 5 to 10% on some altcoins from where we were just 48 hours to go. Now, I believe that this is a buy the dip opportunity because I believe we have got a lot of room to run and a lot of growth ahead of us in terms of the overall crypto market and meme coin space. With that, we're going to be talking about some of the best meme coins to buy now as the meme coin market nears $80 billion. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro. Now, yes, the overall market is down over the last 48 hours, touching $124,500 Bitcoin, now down to $117,372. This is still a very strong move, right? We're still seeing Bitcoin rising overall. We're still seeing altcoins led by Ethereum rising overall, but we do have a 48-hour decline on our hands. Now, I believe that the market is going to continue moving higher, so I continue to buy. Now, let's take a look at what these guys are calling some of the best meme coins to buy now as the market cap is nearing 80 billion. Now, with that, they mentioned 6 cryptocurrencies, and I do own all of them. Now, we're just going to run through these 6, and I'm going to focus a little bit more on Bitcoin Hyper. Number 1 is, of course, Bitcoin Hyper. Number 2, Pudgy Penguins. Number 3, you've got Bonk. Number 4, Snorter Token. Number 5, Best Wallet. And number 6 is Token 6900. I do believe that these are all excellent opportunities, and I believe that there's a lot of room for growth in the meme coin space, but let's focus on Bitcoin Hyper for the rest of this video because it is a meme coin that is focused on utility. Now, it says Bitcoin Hyper is currently in its ICO phase, giving a strong advantage as a meme coin with potential for explosive price surge once it hits exchanges. Its narrative is tightly interwoven with Bitcoin, positioning itself as a potential beta play for the leading cryptocurrency once it launches. Investors are looking for exposure to Bitcoin's momentum at a fraction of the cost, could see Bitcoin Hyper as a strategic pick. So what is it doing? Bitcoin Hyper is building the fastest layer 2 blockchain for Bitcoin. Now with that, in 18 hours and 27 minutes, the price is going to rise again. These guys have already raised $9.7 million, and they continue raising all day, every day. Currently, one Bitcoin Hyper costs 1.2725 cents, and if you guys are interested in buying in, all you've got to do is click buy with crypto or buy with card and connect your wallet. Now, I like to connect via Best Wallet or Trust Wallet. You simply scan the QR code that pops up on the screen with your wallet and then type in how much you would like. After that, the tokens are yours to claim on launch day. Now, how the Layer 2 network is going to work is very simple. You're going to bridge over from Bitcoin to Bitcoin Hyper. You're going to utilize the Layer 2 network, and then utilizing zero-knowledge proofs, it sends this info back to the Bitcoin blockchain where it's validated on the Layer 1. And finally, when you're ready to withdraw, all you do is initiate that request and your Bitcoin are released back to the Layer 1 address. If you guys still have additional questions, you can make sure that you get them answered at the bottom of the page. Or, of course, follow Bitcoin Hyper Network on their social media accounts, get in touch with them, and get your questions answered directly. Now, you can see that the rest of these are also very good investments in terms of overall meme coin pacing. Pudgy Penguins, I believe, is the 4th largest meme coin in the entire world. Bonk, doing a phenomenal job, is Solana's #1 and Solana's first major meme coin. Snorter Token, Solana trading bot ready to take advantage of cheaper fees and faster speeds. Best Wallet is one of the greatest wallets out there, especially because it allows you to invest in a lot of these new ICOs. And then finally, Token 6900, a pure meme coin ready for a meme coin rally. So if you guys are interested in the top 6 meme coins to buy now as the market cap is reaching $80 billion, that's the list that these analysts have come up with. I want to know what your guys' list is, so let me know down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.